Another question from NTA UGC Net for all of you. So here the question is about the views of classical on public debt. So there are statements given. First one is future financing gets more troublesome due to public debt. So according to classicals, yes, this is right. Public debt leads to a reduction of resources for productive private employment. According to the classicals, yes, this is also correct. Increasing public debt leads to currency depreciation and deflationary situation in the economy. No, no such thing was given by any classicals regarding the public debt. Debt financing requires funds for interest payment and amortization, hence a double burden for exchequer. Very true. And the last one is public debt leads to productive activities. Not true. So the answer should be A, B, D. Do we have options? Yes, that is answer D.